So what's the ideal time delay from when someone abandons their shopping cart to when you send them that first email reminder in your Klaviyo flow? Well, that's what we're going to cover today, so let's jump into it. This article from Rejoiner is really good because Rejoiner send a lot of email. They say that they sent millions of emails before they came up with these statistics. And you can see here, they're examining conversion rates by time after abandonment. So they are looking at what's the optimal window for people to receive their first abandoned cart email. They looked at 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day. And based on their research, they're saying that 1 hour is the ideal time frame. If you've used the abandoned checkout template in Klaviyo, you'll notice that they use 4 hours as the first time delay. And it's something that I'd recommend that you still test. You could obviously go with 1 hour, but some businesses, 2 hours or 4 hours may actually be better. I've got another video that covers how you do the timing split tests, and I'll link to that one in the description. And apart from waiting 1 hour for the first email, you should make sure that you do send a couple of follow-ups. You can see here, they gained $270,000 in revenue from the first email. Then they sent another one a day after the initial cart was abandoned. They got another 190 grand of revenue. And then 3 days from when the initial cart was abandoned, they got another 134. So emails 2 and 3 actually generated more revenue than what email 1 did. So in the built-in Klaviyo template examples, there's always at least 2 emails. And as long as your open rate is better than 20%, which I've never seen it less than 20% for an abandoned checkout email, then you want to add in a third email as well. So 1 hour is the ideal time that you should wait from when somebody abandons their checkout to when they get sent their first reminder email, at least according to the blog post from Rejoiner, but it's something that you should test. And if you want to learn more about how to do the timing test, then you should check out this video over here, and I'll catch you in the next one.